Do you like that, Walter? Good morning. It is 9 a.m. I just dropped Andrew off at the train. Don't know what this is on my face. Look a little crazy, but that's okay. I wanted to start the vlog early today because I didn't vlog yesterday. So I was already 2 days behind in VEDA videos, but now I'm like 3 days behind. So there's probably gonna be one day that you get 2 videos, whether it be when this one uploads or another one. I gotta catch up. But yesterday my Nana had knee replacement surgery, so I was at the hospital all day. I didn't think about vlogging, I didn't think about doing a video. I was there, so I didn't get home till quite late in the day, and it was too late to start filming and things like that and life, but that is okay. It's more important to be in those moments. Everyone is kind of getting sick. Walter's asleep back there. Everyone's kind of getting sick. Hopefully I don't. Oh, go ahead, go. Amy Lee is a little sick, Aaron was sick, Andrew was feeling sick, so hopefully I'm not getting sick. I kind of sound like I am, but I feel fine. I'm going to go pick up a coffee, treat myself, go home, kind of get ready for the day, and have some few errands that I'm gonna run that I'll bring you along for. Anyways, I am very excited for today, and I think it's gonna be awesome. Excited to try these. I picked this up at Sephora, and it was actually $4 more to get the glue and the tweezer. So, and these just kind of stick on the end of your eyelashes, so I'm excited to try them. I'm ready for the day, put on my joggers. I have not done my hair and makeup since coming from the cottage. These are the, whoops, where'd the light go? These are those lashes. They're a lot more natural than I go for, but I like it. These are a great everyday lash. Okay, Wally, get up. Get up. Get up, buddy. Time to get up. I'm trying to sort some laundry. Come on. I gotta go to the store. Now my parents are coming over for dinner. This place has been bopping the past few weeks. Okay, Wally. Anyways, let's get going. Okay, so I'm heading into this store before I go to the grocery store, because if you have lived in a condo or an apartment, you know the struggle of trying to lug all of your groceries in at one time, especially for us where we live at the park, or where we park in a parking garage. So I found this wagon that I've been wanting. My friends Rachel and Paul told me about it, and it's on sale, so I'll show you. oh my gosh, fall stuff already. I mean, I've seen it. This just seems like very early. I don't know. I could be wrong. I am really excited because I feel like this meal is coming together. I'm just picking up the last bit of ingredients and I hope it turns out. I have some great recipes. It's kind of Mediterranean with one thing is a little Mexican, but that's okay. I'm so excited and hungry. Woo! It is hot and I can't find my sunglasses. That was a little bit of a stressful grocery trip because I was about to pay and I realized I forgot something, so I had to run through the store looking for it. And I hate that. Anyways, I'm on my way home. I'm gonna set up my new wagon to bring in all my groceries in. And then probably start prepping and cleaning up some more. I know that doesn't seem like fun, but it is. This is like my favorite type of day. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Sorry, someone is yelling over there. So I can bring in all of my Walter doesn't know what he thinks of the wagon. What do you think, buddy? No? This is so helpful. And look how much groceries it can fit in there. And I could carry Walter in there. Okay, I gotta get everything. I gotta get everything out of the bags and into the freezer and fridge. I have a few visitors here in my pool. My pool. Say hello. These are my cousins, Hope and Claire. You know them if you follow my vlog for a long time. And we have a pool here that Andrew and I never use, but they're using, actually you guys have used it more than I have. Yeah. It's actually really nice. There's tongue. Now this is a kitchen. Oh yeah. Do you like that, Walter?
It works well, doesn't it? We've got plenty of space up here to entertain.
And I love the dining room. First part of the meal, or one of the sides, I'm gonna do chicken souvlaki. We have tzatziki sauce. I'm gonna do this cucumber, chickpea, tomato salad. I have quinoa, and we have vegetable kebabs. Those look really yummy. So that should be good. And then I have a strawberry pie that I'm gonna make. Hopefully I can get this all done. But the oven is on for the pie crust because I do not have time to make my own pie crust. But I'm going to make the cucumber tomato salad right now. And these are my favorite tomatoes to make it with. And then these like mini cucumbers cut up. It gives it a really nice crunch. Garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and balsamic. Yeah, balsamic vinegar, and it is so good. And then I just let that sit in the fridge with the garlic, I think I said, and it is so good. Okay, so dinner's prep is almost finished. These are the kebabs with, I've never tried it with the corn on the cob, but that looks really good. And then I have my chickpea salad and the strawberry pie. Then we're gonna have kebabs. It will be delicious. So good. I'm excited. It's done, and I'll show you the table.
Giant, yeah. I know, there was probably like 6 people in there. It's still probably huge.
Those are kebabs.
Hi-yo.
Yummy.
You need to ask CoDad for permission.
Well, shut up. I know what you're trying to do.
What am I doing?
Oh, you don't make it look like I can't make a move without checking in with Brett first.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Am I right about that? Huh?
How was dinner?
Delicious.
How was dinner?
I listened to you tell your
story over and over again, and I complimented your hat.
We have to stop.
What a fun night. My parents and Emily, Aaron, and I, we played some games on the TV. If you've ever played, or it's called Jackbox, and if you buy Jackbox, I think you buy it on the PlayStation or even on the computer, okay, it basically has all these games that you can play, and it's really fun. And so we played that, we had dessert, and it was just really, really nice. I haven't actually had my parents over for dinner, which is crazy, since we've lived here, like where I've cooked. They've eaten here, but anyways, so I'm gonna wrap up this video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Good night.